I've got to do this video quick because I need to get in my house to go to the toilet. And I've got this bloody rescued bonsai in the way. I started to make a Himalayan cedar last year and I left it in the weeds bits. And it grew all out of control. So I've rescued it today. And I repaired all the branches, reshaped it, and put a nice bit of moss on it. Lovely jubbly. There's a bit in the way there, but the exposed roots going on, and a bit of rock. But it's looking a lot. That looks alright now, doesn't it? I think. In a bit more of an angle. And, you know, I don't know what it's supposed to look like one of these as a bonsai, but I hope I'm doing a good job. And I'm only a trainee. But I think that should grow into something nice, I hope. Anyway, boys, for now, Himalayan cedar here. And happy birthday, Bonsai. Little Jimbo.